This is how the car looks like outside the box. Hi guys, and welcome back to Mini Bike Store video blog. In today's video I'm gonna be unboxing and I will show you step by step how to properly assemble the F1 Racer electric car from Nitro Motors. This is a mini Formula 1 for children equipped with electric 1000 watt brushless motor and 48 volt batteries. So let's open the box and see what is inside. So after removing the top of the box, this is how the car looks like outside the box. You can see it's in 95% pre-assembled. You just have to put a few parts together and I will show you now how to do it. So now step by step I will show you how to properly assemble the car. So first we need to remove the wing, all four wheels, and unwrap the car. So inside the car you will have the bag with the user manuals, and here also we have the box with the charger for the car. So open this bag here. So inside we have the keys, we have the user manuals in English language. We also have a remote control for the car and some tools. We highly recommend that you fully read user manuals before you use the car for the first time. So let's start assembly. First we need to install the front wheels. Remove these 3 nuts here. For easy installation you can put the rear wheel under the frame here on the front. So lift the car, place the wheel like this. Now insert the front wheel. Next install the nuts. And tight them well. Next install the wheel on the other side. Now you can remove the rear wheel and you need to install the rear wheels just here. You can place the wheel under the rear frame here. Remove the nuts. Insert the bolt through it and secure it with the nut. And the last one. And now tight all 3 bolts well. And do it exactly the same on the other side. Next you will need to install the rear wing. The wing is just here, so unwrap the wing. Next place the rear wing in position and install all 4 bolts. Secure the bolts with the nuts and tighten them all. Next step is to adjust the seat for your child. You can actually ask your child to have a seat in the car, and then you have to tighten these 4 bolts here once the position is okay for your child. So now the car is fully assembled now, and we can test it. Here in the back you will have the keys. We have 2 sets of keys. This is the main key for the ignition, and here we have the keys to change the speed settings. So to test it, insert the ignition key into ignition, turn it to on like this. Now here on this side we have the fuse. Push that fuse, turn it to on now. So now you can see the lights are on. Here we have to push that stick into forward, so it's in forward gear now, and just a little bit press the acceleration. We can see the car is moving. So turn off the ignition. So now the F1 Razor is fully assembled. As you can see, it's not much you have to do it. It's actually in 100% pre-assembled. You just have to install the wheels and install the rear wing. We highly recommend that you check the air pressure in the wheels and inflate the wheels if needed. Before the first use, you have to plug in charger as well and fully charge the batteries. Don't use the car straight away. Just first charge the battery and then you can use the car. In the next videos we will be testing this electric car. We also have one more electric car, so we'll compare both, and we will do a review of this electric car. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you like the car, you can purchase it from our website. The link to our shop is in the description. Thanks guys for watching, and see you in the next video.